channel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look from start to finish. I had so much fun. I'm mainly using the original Naked palette from Urban Decay. I had purchased it when it was starting to discontinue, and I am doing a giveaway because I did get one specifically to give away to you guys. So if you want to learn how to get this look from start to finish, how to do it, what to do, what I used, the whole shebang, then just keep on watching and I would love to show you how. I have all the products that I want to use laid out right in front of me. I just don't know exactly where I'm going with the look that I want to create. So first thing, I'm gonna prime my eyes. Usually I do my foundation and stuff first, but no, not today. Just applying it over the lid, placing it everywhere. I did my eyebrows already, and I'm actually testing out the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I actually got this for Christmas thanks to my lovely older sister. She got me the Desi Perkins collaboration kit, which I do plan on reviewing for you guys, but I had never tried this before, and in the shade 5, and it's rose gold. I mean, hello. It's funny because I had gotten my best friend the kit for her birthday. It wasn't the Desi Perkins collaboration, but it was like a holiday kit that they had that was very similar. I think the only difference was that it was silver. I had never tried out the Benefit brow products, so I gifted it to my friend, and in the back of my head I was like, oh, like I'm gonna get this for myself soon. And then my sister got it for me, so I was so excited. So can you guys believe that I had never tried the Naked palette from Urban Decay till around the time that they were actually discontinuing it? I never really do neutral, like brownish type of looks, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. The first shade I'm gonna use is Naked right here. I'm just going to place that in my crease and just blend it out really all over. It's such a light shade for me. Now I'm going to apply Buck, which is like a more brownier shade, with the same brush, and I bought this from a holiday kit from Wet n Wild. You guys know I'm a really huge fan of their brushes because one, they're so affordable. I love them, and they're super pretty. They're pro line, and I feel like it's just so worth the money, and you get like a huge bang for your buck. So this is a different brush from the set. It's smaller and not as fluffy as the one I was using before. I'm going to grab some Toasted right here, which is so just stunning. Redishy burnt undertone, and I think it's such a pretty shade. And I'm going to put that in my crease. So I kind of know where I'm going with this, but I also kind of don't. And we're just gonna roll right now. We're just gonna roll with this. I'm gonna put this in my outer V. I honestly completely forgot about the black spot that I had right here. I was finishing up some last few details for my background spray painting, and I completely forgot about it. So moving on. Now with my finger, I'm gonna go into Smog right here. I'm just placing it right on top, but I still wanted that like burnt reddish tone from Toasted to peek through on the top, so that's why I'm layering. I'm just going back in with Buck and blending this out in my crease. So now that Smog is all over, I want to go in with Sidecar, and I'm going to place that right in the middle. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of Dark Horse and apply that just a little bit right on the outer V. Just following my bone. I'm going to dip into Virgin and place that right as my brown bone highlight, right on top. We're gonna blend this out so it doesn't look too crazy. Going back into Buck and just a little touch of Naked. I'm gonna use it to just blend that crease, that transition between the brow bone highlight and my crease. Taking a wipe, cleaning out the edges and any fallout, which there was a lot. I do see some like little glitter specks on my cheeks from that sidecar shade, but whatever. We're going to prime our face. I'm still using the Essence Prime Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. It just smells like very strong. Right now, I need all the hydration I can get, so I'm just gonna press it in with my sponge. I'm gonna jump right into concealer using Laura Mercier's Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I've been loving it, but right now, since, I mean, this is still a hint of a tan, but I'm in the shade 2N, and then I picked up 1N, but it's way too ashy for me, so I'm going to mix the both of them up. Focus 2N on the outer portions of the V. And then I'm going to take 1N and place it kind of right on top. I just like mixing them together because if not, it's way too off. So I'm blending that right in. This concealer has definitely become one of my top favorites. I just wish they were more shades. For foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 128. Got it around. And again, with this sponge, you don't really need a lot of product. And I learned that really quickly. I'm going to set my face with this Laura Mercier Candlegow Sheer Perfecting Powder. I purchased it in the shade 2N. I can roll with this. I feel like there's a veil of just like luminosity. I love it. I'm going to finish off my lower lash line. I'm lining my waterline with this eyeliner from Urban Decay. It's their 24/7 Glide On Liner in Space Dust. Those who watch my makeup tutorials know that gold eyeliner is where I'm at, but this, can you pick up the detail? It's like intense. Well, that was creepy, but I love it. I'm going to line really quickly. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Aguilar and Nicole Guerrero faux lashes. So these are from the Faux Mink collection. I rarely ever have to cut the lashes because my eyes are really long, freakishly. How pretty. Ooh, look at. And the key is to let the glue get tacky before you place them on. I have learned. I'm going to show my regular lashes some love by placing some of this mascara to combine the two. Why do I always do that? Like, oh man, angered. The eyes are officially finished, so I'm going to quickly move on to the face using this butter bronzer in the shade Bronzer for the first time ever from like how my face doesn't look powdery whatsoever. I'm going to use ColourPop's Luster Dust in Strobe Globe. Yeah, Strobe Globe. So I'm just going to lightly tap it in and use a mirror. Ooh. You need literally like the smallest amount on the tip of my nose and then right on my cupid's bow, because come on, these lip liners from Wet n Wild are so creamy. One of my favorite brownie cool tone nude. Last thing I'm going to do to set it. This completes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something out of it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. I truly appreciate it. So what are you doing? Press that bell button if you haven't already to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join in every Thursday and Sunday. Like this video if you did indeed enjoy it, and check out the description bar because I put some stuffs in there sometimes. I'll have all the rules in the description bar as well of how you can win your Naked palette. I know that they discontinued it, and I honestly never had it up until now, and I know that many of you probably couldn't afford it because it is on the pricier side and never received it or got it, whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to gift it to one of you. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. What type of look do I wanna go for? 24/7. I'm mainly using the originals. I'm going to dip into the that ultra